So hello students, we have started a chapter that is polynomials of class 9. Now in the previous period we have learned about how to find zeros of a polynomial. Okay, this topic we have learned in the previous period. Now today we are going to learn our next topic, that is remainder theorem. Now remember one thing, that for this year CBSE has cancelled the proof of this remainder theorem. Okay, but we are going to solve only some examples based on this theorem. Okay, so let us start learning remainder theorem with the help of some examples. Okay, so now we have first example, that to find the remainder when x raised to 4 plus x raised to 3 minus 2x square plus x plus 1 is divided by x minus 1. Okay, so now solution. Now remember that this polynomial is divided by this polynomial, so this will be our dividend and this will be our divisor. Is that clear? Now what we have to do, that whichever is the divisor, first we have to find 0 of this divisor. Okay, so solution, directly what we will write, here for 0 of x minus 1. Now we have learned in the previous period, if you want to find 0 of this polynomial, what we are doing, we are putting this one as equal to 0. X minus 1 equals to 0, therefore x equals to 0 minus 1, therefore x equals to 1. Now what we are going to do, if you want to find the remainder of this polynomial, okay, we will put the value of x as 1 in this polynomial. Okay, so now px equals to x raised to 4 plus x raised to 3 minus 2x square plus x plus 1. Okay, therefore p of 1 equals to, now wherever x is there we will consider its value as 1. Okay, so 1 raised to 4 plus 1 raised to 3 minus 2 into 1 square plus 1 plus 1. Now 1 raised to 4 is 1, 1 raised to 3 is 1, 1 raised to 2 is also 1. So we are going to write it as 1 plus 1 minus 2 into 1 plus 1 plus 1. Okay, so that equals to, now we are having how many times, 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, so this will become 4, and minus 2 into 1 will become minus 2, that equals to 2. So now this value which we have got is nothing but what, it is remainder of this polynomial. Okay, which polynomial, that is this polynomial. So in other words we can say that if this polynomial is divided by x minus 1, okay, so what is the remainder, 2. Okay, again let us revise it once again. What we are going to do, or what we have done in this example, that suppose if you want to find remainder of this polynomial, when we are getting remainder, when two numbers are dividing each other. In the same way, if you want to find the remainder of a polynomial, we have to divide two polynomials. Okay, so what we have done, we are dividing this polynomial by x minus 1. So again I am telling, this one is our dividend and this one is our divisor. Okay, now what we have to do, we will consider divisor. Okay, so first we are finding 0 of this divisor, so we know how to find 0 of this divisor. After that we are putting the 0 of this divisor in this polynomial, and finally whatever answer we are getting, that is the remainder of the polynomial. Okay, so now let us consider next example. Now here it is given as find the remainder when this polynomial is divided by each one of these one by one. Okay, so let us solve one example. First one for x plus 1, or you can write when the divisor is x plus 1. Now remember that these all are divisors. Okay, and this one is डिविडेंड, मतलब ये डिवाइड होने वाला है किससे, तो इन सबसे एक एक करके डिवाइड होने वाला है. ओके, सो नाउ फर्स्ट व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू, व्हाट वी हैव लर्न, वी विल फाइंड जीरो ऑफ दिस डिवाइजर. सॉल्यूशन for 0 of x plus 1. Now how to find 0 of this one? So we have learned in the previous period कि जिसका 0 find करना है, we are writing that polynomial equals to 0. So what you will get, x equals to minus 1. Okay, now what is our polynomial? Now px equals to x raised to 3 plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. Okay, so therefore p of minus 1, now from where we got this minus 1, so the value of x is minus 1, equals to minus 1 cube plus 3 into minus 1 square plus 3 into minus 1 plus 1 equals to, now minus 1 cube will be minus 1 plus 3 into 1 minus 1 square will be 1. Now remember here, plus into minus will become minus, and 3 into 1 will become 3 plus 1. So that equals to, now what we are having, minus 1 plus 3 ones are, so that is 3 minus 3 plus 1. Now remember that this minus 1 and plus 1 will get cancelled, this plus 3 and minus 3 will get cancelled, so our final answer will be equals to 0. Okay, so what is the remainder? Okay, so our remainder is 0. Is it clear? So in this way we have calculated in this way we have learned how to find remainder of a polynomial when one polynomial is divided by another polynomial. Okay, so this much is enough for today. Thank you. Have a nice